Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, i-Kaizer Chiefs ngeke idlale imatch yayo ye-Betway Premiership against iMagesi during the week laphana. Imatch beyibhekwe ukuthi izodlalwa ngeyi-26 November, but-ke manje i-Kaizer Chiefs seyiphostponile lowo match leyo. Ithe i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana mayikhonfirma, ithi league yiyo ezokhonfirma i-date laphana ukuthi bazodlala nini bafethu. This is sad, you know why? Because i-Kaizer Chiefs nawo ama-match amanye wakhonfirmile. Let's track back kancane kuma-match. I-Kaizer Chiefs bathi bazobuyela laphana ku-action after i-FIFA break, badlala ama-matches awu-2 challenging kakhulu e-CAF Confederations Cup against ama-teams awu-2 ase-Egypt, which is Al Masry neZamalek. I-first encounter-ke bazoyidlala against Al Masry, izoqala i-match yakhona ngo-6 o'clock bafuthu, 6 o'clock kusho ntambama ngeyi-23 Sunday ngeyi-23 November laphana eZeus Stadium esi-located 150 kilometers away from i-capital city yase-Egypt ekuthiwa i-Cairo. And then 6 days later i-Kaizer Chiefs izo-host iZamalek-ke la e-South Africa. Bathi-ke this highly anticipated titanic clash between two of Africa's football giants will take place on Saturday 29 November, kicking off at 3 o'clock at New Peter Mokaba Stadium in Limpopo. Le besiyazi, but-ke besingayazi kulokuthi badlala labantu laba badlala ngoba bengishilo badlala ngeyi-23 nangeyi-29 ku-CAF, and then imatch yabo beyingeyi-26. Bathi bayipostpone igame yemagesi because of nasi statement sabo mabachaza, bathi-ke owning a distance between South Africa, kusho ukuthi i-distance between i-South Africa ne-Egypt yinde kakhulu noma inkulu kakhulu, spanning the full vertical length of African continent. Amakhosi proposed midweek Betway Premiership fixture against Magesi scheduled for Wednesday, whatever has been postponed. Zonke lezo zinto lezo bayachaza nje ukuthi e-Africa i-distance ende, so ngeke bakwazi ukuthi kusho ukuthi babuye le ngeyi-23 base-Egypt, babuye e-Egypt bafike baphinde badlale nemagesi and then baprepare for i-weekend futhi, bathi inkinga ye-distance yinto ebenza ukuthi bangadlali. But nasi i-statement esibaluleke kunazo zonke bafowethu esibhalwe i-Kaizer Chiefs, bathi kulama matches lawa awu-2 bafuna ukuthola ama-3 points. Let me just quote them straight. But the Kaizer Chiefs will be aiming to secure maximum points from their opening 2 encounters with the top two teams in the group set to advance to the knockout stages of this season's continental showpiece. Bafuna ukushayiza, kusho ukuthi next week masibabukele emalangeni, masibabukele next week ngeyi-23 se-expect ukuthi bathole i-win against Al Masry laphana away, mebebuya ngeyi-29 bathole i-win against iZamalek, into abayifunayo bafethu ukuthi bahlale kahle laphana ku-continental level. And then i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke egroupini khona i-team yase-Zambia yase-Zambia i-Zesco abazodlala nayo, but next year-ke lawo ma-matches lawo, meaning that I don't know ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu izohandlela kanjani lama-fixtures lawa, le fixture cause sekusho ukuthi cause i-Betway Premiership bathi izivala nini? Ivala early December, and then early December i-Kaizer Chiefs kusho ukuthi inenye i-match, I think ngeyi-3 December ine-match already seyi-schedule, so imagesi asazi. Kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izodlala ama-catch-up games amaningi this season bafethu, njengoba ba-committed ukudlala laphana ku-continental level. Le nto le kazi izoyi-affecta kanjani i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi idlala ama-catch-up games, ilokhu icela laphana ku-CAF ukuthi bamuvise ama-games due to mhlawumbe ukuthi bona baya-travela ku-CAF. But we've seen this thing from Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates beyidlala i-catch-up last season, sibonile ukuthi beyinama-game in hand, I think ayi-5 or ayi-4 at some point. Ubone ukuthi semuva ngempela i-Orlando Pirates iloke nje icela kukhanseliwe ama-games. So yeah, igame abazoyidlala enye enkulu bafethu kuya ku-DStv, noma ngithi kusase-DStv, yaku-Betway ngeyi-3 badlala ne-Chippa United laphana eNelson Mandela Bay, meaning that igame yemagesi njengoba bathi bazoyi-reschedule noma bazoyishedula, kumele idlale after i-3, maybe nge-weekend eyi-6, but kudlala i-Orlando Pirates angithi ne-Marumo Gallants. I don't know if that weekend is open ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazi ukudlala, but yeah, what an exciting season for i-Kaizer Chiefs, continental showpiece. kaze bazokwazi na njengoba bengibuzile ukuthi u-catch up akukho lula bafethu, because you look at the log table ukuthi maybe i-team ikulida nga-9 points, una 3 games in hand. Amanye ama-fans sewabalile lapho sewathi soyishaya le team lesi sina-9 points, kanti-ke no, igame idlala egrawundini before kubalwa ama-points. I-same thing yenzakala ku-Orlando Pirates, banama-game in hand sebabalile ukuthi sowathola lama-points, azange bawathole lawo ma-points lawo. So yeah, man. But yeah, good fixtures for Kaizer Chiefs. Good test. I think mentally the players will be tested. So bona ukuthi imaphi amalokhunjana ama-player that will stand out kuma-group stages ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But yeah, they have a team to compete ku-continental level. Bakwazi ukushaya izamalek bafuthu. Yabona uma bangakwazi ukushaya izamalek, kulapho-ke ngizothi yabona isizini ye-Kaizer Chiefs, we up for a big season from bona. Bakwazi ukuyishaya izamalek. That's a big statement. Bakwazi ukuthi bangashaya first game they mustn't lose away, especially against Al Masry. If khona igame abazoyiluza kumele baluze kuzamalek away kuphela. Possibly-ke egroupini I'm expecting ukuthi at least baluze one game, but away ukudlala away it's different. Angazi ukuthi maybe bazoba ne-approach different. Sibonile away azange badlale kahle bafethu kuma-prelim rounds, badlale lapha ne-Angola ne-Cabo Scope bafethu, they were outclassed, bebangadlali kahle. But-ke kunendlela ngithi yoku-approach ama-games away, even nalapha ne-Congo bekungasi i-Kaizer Chiefs le ebese-expectile ukuthi izodlala to their best ability. Equality banalo, maybe ama-away games bawa-approacha different, but-ke bekusase ama-prelim rounds, so bona kuma-group stages ukuthi o-coach be-Kaizer Chiefs bazo-approach ama-game kanjani. It's very important for them ukuthi bathole at least i-draw. But-ke for mina, I would say they have to play for i-win bafethu, even if it's away. But okay, not necessary for i-win, but they have to play to score, cause of lento lokuthi bazo-defender, and then i-Cabo Scope ikwazile ukukora, ngeke udefende 90 minutes. Kuma-group stages kuzoba difficult because ama-teams qualifier kuma-group stages in most cases i-better quality compared to ama-teams ohlangane nawo laphana kuma-prelim round. So bona i-head state yabo ukuthi kanjani, nanokuthi uCedric Keza no-Ben Yusuf bazoplana kanjani. But I see them advancing to ama-knockout stages bafethu, bane-quality way better than amanye ama-team. I think iZamalek bangayishaya home now, you know. So no, akusiZamalek, iZesco. I think iZesco yaseZambia, I don't know anything about them, but ibhola laseZambia liphansi bafethu compare ibhola lase-South Africa. So I don't think iZesco izocompete ne-Kaizer Chiefs, to be fair. But into kumele bayi-expect the aggression of African football, like bazodlalisa inkani, bazoba namaqhinga, so kumele bakwazi ukwazi ukudila nayo yonke into leyo. Don't let your emotions run high and then the emotions to take over you. So yiyo-ke into bafethu lokhunjani esizayo i-team, like that's where udinga ama-leaders ethimini. Uma ubheka ama-leader waku-Kaizer Chiefs ane-authority, ama-leaders awungakho azokwazi uku-inspire ama-players, cause kuzoba difficult kakhulu. They have the talent, do they have the mental state na to go all out? Because of i-team, I mean, mina I fancy them good. Kaizer Chiefs izowa-reach ama-semi-final. Well, ithi ngithi cause ibhola liyaginqika, it's unpredictable, but Kaizer Chiefs ine-chance enkulu yokureacha at least ama-semi-finals. Asikho uma ubheka ku-continental level, unless ama-teams wase-North Africa yiwo ane-squad uthole ukuthi sikhompitha nabo ma-Kaizer Chiefs. Lesi ama-teams wase-Egypt yiwo kanemadlana, anemali e-serious, not even imadlana. And then ama-teams Wydad Casablanca laphana ko-Morocco, ama-teams wase-Algeria, yiwo ama-teams angathi azokwazi ukukhompitha ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Like bad enough or lucky enough, angazi ukuthi ngingayibeka kanjani. Blessing in disguise, or a blessing and a curse ukuthi bathola ama-teams wase-Egypt, ama-financial muscles abo awu-2 angcono. But-ke they are well equipped in terms of talent, they are better than ama-teams wase-Egypt, but inkani egroundini ezobawinisa. Cela uzibamba la. Danko bafethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.